people within a town or a community to host and join matches easily. So first of all, we have two options to either register or to log in. So I've already created a new account, so I'm going to log in. So here I can view my dashboard. As you can see, it's empty right now. That's because I haven't hosted a match or I haven't joined one. I can go over to the Join tab where I can view all the matches that have been posted by other users. For each match, I can view the match, the game name, the address, the format, the date at which the game is going to happen, and how far the match venue is from me. I can click on any of the matches to view the game details. Here I can also view the location of the match on the map. I can also see all the players that have joined, and I can click on any of the users' name, and then I can view their profile. So here, this is Burhanuddin's profile. I can also send Burhanuddin a friend request. So for each match, there is a match discussion section. So now I can go ahead and join the match. So the match join was successful. Now I can go back to the home page where I can view this is a match that I have joined. Another thing I can do is I can host a match. I can go here, so soccer format 6v6, the date and time, the address, and the match location on the map. So somewhere around here. Go ahead and host, and I can go back to the home page, and that's the match I have hosted. Now what I can also do is for each user I can view their profile. This is my profile, and these are my friends. I don't have any right now. I can view my notifications. I don't have any notification right now too. Now what I can do is I can go to a different account, and here I can view a notification because Burhan sent me a friend request. I can accept the friend request. Now Burhan and Burhanuddin are now friends. So this was MatchNet. Thank you.